everyone, welcome to my channel Sharmilian. Today we are going to make an easy detox recipe called greenhouse smoothie. As the name and the color says, it's super green and loaded with antioxidants and nutrition and loaded with vitamin A, K and B12 which helps in weight loss, improves your metabolism and detoxing your skin. For that, all you require is a bunch of kale, 1 frozen banana, 2 kiwis, a tablespoon of honey, soaked chia seeds 3 tablespoons and some nuts, cocoa nibs and cherries and some muesli for garnishing. Now I have rinsed the kale and I am going to chop the leaves. If you're first time buying kale in supermarket, usually you get to see dark green color kale. Here I have chosen Tuscan kale which are super tender and less in bitterness. Usually kale is bitter in taste. So please choose a tender kale bunch. If you still get a darker green variety, it's still okay. Here I'm going to chop off only the leaves. I'm not going to add the stem. We are going to discard the stem. Usually, if you add kale in your smoothie, the smoothie ends up bitter in taste. That's because we just rinse off the kale, chop the entire stem and leaves and blend it, which ends up in bitterness. But here I'm going to take off the stem. Add all the chopped leaves into a large container like a bowl and I'm going to add a glass of water and soak the chopped kale leaves for 5 minutes. By doing this, the cell enzymes that got broken while chopping the leaves will leave the bitterness in the water. Meanwhile, I have chopped the frozen bananas and de-skinned and chopped the kiwi. Please choose a ripened variety of kiwi because it adds some tanginess and some extra flavor for your greenhouse smoothie. Now I have added all the chopped banana and kiwi to a blender. Meanwhile, I am just filtering off all the chopped kale which we have soaked for 5 minutes in the water. You can even rinse off once again before adding this to the blender. Kale is super rich in magnesium content, in zinc, vitamin K and B12 and vitamin A and rich in calcium as well. Now I have blended it all to a smooth creamy texture. Now I have added a tablespoon of honey and going to blend it again. Now we have entered the creative segment of making the smoothie. I have taken a tall glass tumbler, more like a mason jar. You can also pour this smoothie into a smoothie bowl or a cocoa bowl as well to make it more presentable and colorful. Now I am going to add other ingredients one by one and layer it just like how you layer a falooda. While you blend this green mixture, you can also add some Greek yogurt or some vegan yogurt of your choice, which makes an extra creamy texture of your green smoothie. But I wanted to keep this recipe more simple and nutritious, so I have avoided yogurt. Here I am layering the overnight soaked chia seeds onto the green smoothie mixture. Gently press it so it spreads equally. I am taking some muesli mixed with some raisins and nuts. I am going to add this. Layering and arranging a smoothie is completely your creativity. You can use some cocoa nibs or nuts of your choice and some muesli or even some fruits like kiwis or bananas on top of your smoothie. But I like a crunchy texture into my smoothie, so I have added some muesli and cocoa nibs. It's completely optional. I'm loading finally some cherries and some pumpkin seeds as garnishing. Now the greenhouse smoothie is ready. You can see it's super colorful and refreshing for my morning routine. It not only adds nutritious value, but it also calms down the stress level before I start my beautiful day. Your love and support has always encouraged me a lot to come up with new recipes. So please try this recipe and like and subscribe to my channel and spread love. Thank you.